Good evening from Jilin, China. Welcome to another brand new vlog. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make salad, Chinese salad. So to make this salad, I need one sauce. It's kind of sauce. It is called Lazio Yo. It means chili sauce. So first I'm gonna do chili sauce and then I'm gonna go to make salad. This is just common salad. Anyway, you have many different style to make that salad, but still it's on you. If you want to add some other vegetable in that, you can still add, but I'm just gonna give you the simple idea to make Chinese salad and what to put in there. So let's go to make first chili sauce and then I'm gonna go for salad. Anyway, if you are new here, this is Dipen and my channel is Nepalese in China. If you are not subscribed yet, please consider subscribing my channel and hit that bell icon as well, so you will be notified for future video. So let's go to make our today's salad. Chili, sesame seeds, salt, chicken stock, now I have chili and sesame seed, salt, chicken stock, and you need oil. Actually, oil, salt and chili, they are the basic things that you must put. The other rest of the things is on you. If you want any other taste, you can add other things as well. Anyway, you can do this chili sauce in many styles, but this is the basic style and it is very easy, so I'm just trying to show you the easiest style. Anyway, so chili, salt and oil, that's it. Other is on you. If you want to put, you can add. Even you like some curry spices, you can add, but you cannot burn. So I'm going to heat the oil. Oil, you need to put a little bit more oil, and you have to bring the oil to almost boil. Give little bit mix chili. Okay. Now the oil is a little bit warm, so I need to put a little bit oil here, like a quarter, because if I put all together the hot oil, all the chili going to burn, so it will not have good taste. So I have to put a little bit in the beginning, just to warm little bit. And now this oil is already warm, so I'm going to put some herbs. This all the herbs, everything, they are optional. You can put if you want. If you don't want, not necessary. They even add some meat as well here. They boil the meat and cross the meat, make like paste, and they will add. So this be careful with the oil. Oil must be very hot. Alright, oil is enough hot. You can filter this, all the herbs and this onion, garlic, everything, and then you can put only oil, or you can put all together. For home use, normally you just put all together because at home is not a big problem. If you are making for restaurant or some service area, you can. All right, let me show you from near. Okay, maybe have shadow. This is chili oil. You need to give a little bit more mix. All right, chili sauce Lazio is ready now. You need to leave this one to become a little bit cold, and then you can use. Chili sauce is done. Gonna go for salad. For salad, this is called tofu cucumber salad. So basic things are tofu and cucumber. So you just have to cut tofu, cut cucumber, and add salt. Actually, it's done. But normally here they will put chili sauce, chili oil, and chili sauce is the similar. Actually, here they call Lazio means chili oil. I just cook super hot chili oil, so it's gonna be with that salad. So basic things are cucumber, tofu, salt, chicken stock, chili oil, and still you can add some more things like garlic, onion, and some other oil. Let's say peanut oil, sesame oil, even olive oil. You can add. These oils are for your own taste. If you don't want chili sauce, you can just add olive oil and you can prepare this salad. So let's go to make tofu and cucumber salad.
1, 2, 3, 4!
Okay, here is your salad. It is ready. If you don't like chili, you can avoid chili. The rest of the other things you can put. So if you like this kind of things, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we will see you in another one. Until that time, have a good time. Bye bye.